It's early in the morning. I look like a mess, but I'm still giving you the thing. Let's frickin' go. Yeah, I know it's been a while. Okay, let's move past that. Okay, let's get into it. Alright guys, I've been going for a while. Yes, I know you're like, man, where that dude at? He's never consistent. He was consistent for a little while, but now he's gone. He disappears out of nowhere. Anyway, I was a little tired, so I took a little break. Okay, maybe like a month, some change break or whatever. But yeah, I'm back. So, all right. I was drawing. I don't know. I was doing a lot of stuff, but anyway, I'm done now. So, I'm doing the thing. Now you guys, like in the live video, I did like the whole team plus Spider-Man, cause Spider-Man just came out. So now I am putting them all together, but I'm going to give you all the characters, one character at a time, so that I can finish up my Fantastic Four and then do my Thunderbolts, or I guess now the new Avengers, and then so give you all this stuff, man. I'm drawing every day. I got this other project I'm working on, which is like an animation or whatever, because like I did like this kind of play on the Girl Scouts, and I created like these little characters called a Brownie Squad or whatever. So patent pending, and so I'm working on that. So I might give you like a little short, of that the little cartoon show or whatever I'm working on. I may do its own separate YouTube channel, but I'll just introduce it to you guys so you can see what I'm working on, get your opinion or whatever. So yeah, man. So I'm still drawing. I'm still pumping out this stuff, man. So, yeah. So thank you for hanging with me. I was looking at my subscribers, and it kind of bounced up a little bit. I'm almost to 300, so I may have to do some kind of special video to thank all my subscribers for hanging in there with me. I'm going to be more consistent this time going forward. I do want to start back my lives again. I may start this weekend or whatever, but we'll see. Yeah, so the thing, now I drew the whole team in the live, like I said, and now I have to give it to you kind of like piece by piece, because I'm still kind of going back and finishing up all my artwork. I got so much stuff, man. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so the thing, I'm gonna finish up, I did all the line work. I'm still working with like that brush technique, because at first I did it all like with the pencil tool, and then I kind of switched. I was like, well, like when I do my line work, I like more of like that brush feel, so I changed it up. I'm still kind of practicing with it because it's like a sensitivity thing, working on the on my monitor, my touchscreen monitors is, the sensitivity is right, but I just have to keep practicing with it. And I do make mistakes, yeah, and you see all the mistakes. So I'm not hiding nothing from you guys, Sometimes I think of like some cool things to do that I don't capture on the video, but it's just small, minute things, and it's like, what's the use in recording it? But anyway, so like the line work, you can see I'm constantly kind of erasing because I want to get like the nice stroke and everything in there, a little bit better, than what I'm doing. Like usually I would just go in if I made some mistakes or something like that and just fix it in Illustrator, because it's a little bit more precise. I can control it with the pen tool and just, make my lines and all that stuff. And I can still do it. It's just that when you do the image trace, it kind of like takes everything, turned into like a vector file, but it cuts out like all my line work, my black outline work, and then it cuts it away from the actual white area that would be my paper or whatever. So it's kind of like two separate things, so it's kind of like making a path, or whatever. So yeah. So once I get all my line work, then I go in and bring it into Illustrator, do my image trace, get all my vector lines, take a look at it, make sure nothing's missing, blah blah blah, and then start getting in there with color. I started using like Photoshop, and I was like, well, let me try just bringing in the work into the Photoshop, do the layers. I don't know. Photoshop is still cool. I can do some, you can do some beautiful things in Photoshop, but I don't know. I just kind of prefer using Illustrator because of the line work is so sharp, and I don't have to deal with like any pixelation and pixels and all that garbage. So that's what I do, man. So this piece, it turned out great. I applied like the same kind of techniques to like my Spider-Man. I'm gonna apply it to Mr. Fantastic and Johnny Storm. I'm gonna apply it to like all the artwork and stuff, the little technique that I'm utilizing as far as the coloring. I'm gonna do Galactus as well, get him in there, maybe some buildings and stuff. So almost there. Just hang with me. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking the work. I need some more likes, man. Put the likes up. You know what I'm saying? Bring the likes up. Don't just watch it. Like it or something, or say it sucks or something like that. I need some comments, whatever. So, all my people from around the world, thank you very much for tuning in. I may try to put like some of those captions, like that captures my text, is show the text that I'm speaking, so that anybody in a different country who doesn't know English or whatever, they can kind of understand what I'm saying or whatever. So it's work in progress. I'm still doing some things. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the thing. There's more coming. Peace out.